In 2016, the LA Times did an article on the average American household had around 300,000 items in it. That's a lot. Let's break that down. If the average American household is 4 family members, so 2 adults and 2 kids, that means the adult bedroom, 1 kid's bedroom, 2nd kid's bedroom, adult bathroom, kid's bathroom, living room, dining room, kitchen, garage, attic, storage, basement, whatever. Let's say there are 10 rooms in your home. 10 goes into 300,000, 30,000 times. That means there is conceivably 30,000 items in every single room in your home. Now, if that seems overwhelming to you, imagine what it feels like for your kids. We have too much stuff, and it is overwhelming. The number one complaint I get from clients is, I don't have enough time for myself. I don't have enough time for my family. I don't have enough time for my business, and I don't have enough time to be creative. So take my introduction to organizing with kids. It's a free class. It's coming up this Wednesday. Sign up in the link below, sign up in the bio, sign up at my website. It is free. Get the grandparents involved, get the nannies involved, get the house managers involved, get your friends involved, get whoever takes care of your kids involved so you're all on the same page about the tactics that you can use. It's simple, it's easy, it's actually fun, and you can teach your kids how to let go of things. You can teach yourself how to ask the appropriate questions to get your kids to 1, let go, 2, get organized, 3, stay organized. So don't worry if you cannot make the actual time frame or the date, because guess what? I'm recording it and I will send it to your inbox. It will be available for 2 weeks afterwards. So do yourself a favor, sign up, because this is the only time the class will be free.